So welcome to a Digital Pro Affiliate. So in this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can start a Digital Pro Affiliate. So a Digital Pro is an affiliate network platform that has a lot of digital products on it. And to get started, the first thing you have to do is to visit the website. So you visit the website by going to adigitalpro.xyz or adigitalpro.yolasite.com. So you go to adigitalpro.xyz. So you will get to a page like this. Welcome to Ask Me About Digital Products. So it's an online digital library where we help creators of digital products get more sales and connect with more customers via affiliate and network marketing. So this is the home page. This is the Digital Pro home page. So with over 5,000 digital content, 1,000 plus course facilitators, and we have 50,000 plus marketers. So the next thing you have to do is to click on join affiliate. So you can see join affiliate here. Join affiliate. Join affiliate. So if you click on join affiliate, you are going to get to this page where you need to make a payment for your affiliate ticket. And you can also click on affiliate dashboard. Affiliate dashboard. Then you click on register. You can click on register. Register. So as you can see, you will get to this same page where you will need to complete your registration with payment. And likewise, if you are on any part of the website, let's say for example, we click on affiliate dashboard, or we click on course library. So if you want to navigate to other part of the website, you can use the menu. You can use the menu here. If I click on menu, I can click on this drop down, affiliate dashboard. So I can click on join affiliates from here, or I can just click directly on the affiliate dashboard. So if I click on join affiliate now, so as you can see, you will get to this same page where you will need to complete your registration with payment. So likewise, if I click on the menu and I click on affiliate dashboard, so I will get to this same page where I can click on register. So I can click on register and then complete my registration with payment. So one thing you need to take note here. So you are requested to pay 5,000 naira for your affiliate ticket, for your affiliate registration. And one thing you need to take note here is that someone has to be responsible for your sponsorship. Somebody has to be responsible for your sponsorship. So you will need to put the sponsor coupon number here. Whoever is bringing you in, whoever is your mentor, whoever is your sponsor, you are going to get the number from that person and place the number here. Then you make payment for your affiliate ticket. So all you have to do is to fill this form and click on pay now. So you will get to this page where you can choose your payment option. You can pay with your debit card, or you can pay with bank, or you can pay with transfer. But I always use the popular pay with card. So we are going to click on pay with card. And of course, you need to fill in your card detail and click on pay. Now, once you see that your payment is successful, just wait because you will be redirected to the page where you are going to fill your affiliate form. So here is the affiliate form. So you will need to fill your affiliate form now. Once you have once you have successfully filled the form, then you can click on submit application. Now you will receive a message, register. Thank you, your registration is now complete. You can log in into the affiliate area and begin promoting. So this is how you are going to successfully complete your registration. In another video, I'm going to show you how you can log into your affiliate dashboard and how you can copy your affiliate link, and also how you can explore different products. So before I go, you are going to receive an email that contains your affiliate login details. Let's check the email. So just check your email and copy your username and your password. Then you can click on menu right here. Then go to affiliate dashboard. Click on affiliate dashboard. Click on login. Login. And use the email that you used to register. Use the password that will be sent to your email. So after your payment, make sure you wait to fill the affiliate registration form, and after that you will receive an email that contains your registration detail. Then you can use the email to come to affiliate dashboard and log in. So let me go to my email right now. So now you are going to receive an email like this. This is the receipt for your payment, and this is the affiliate application for a digital pro shop. So this is your details. Let's check. Receive a password, and we also receive a password. The username is going to be the email that you use to registration. The username is going to be the email that you use for your registration. Then you are going to have your login URL. If you check this second email, you are going to have the receipt for your affiliate payment. So